1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. My name's Bimi if you didn't know, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my brand new MacBook Pro. So this is the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I got it in silver, and I'll put all the specs on the screen and also in the description box because I don't want to really waste my time looking it up and telling you guys, but it's the base model. I'm going to be a college student in the fall, so I got the $100 off from the education store pricing, but they have that education pricing year-round if you're wondering. But I got it now because they have the deal where you get, if you buy a new one, you get free AirPods. So I did that, and I gave my brother the AirPods that came with it because I already have some. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't believe it. I've never had a MacBook before, my own. My mom has one that I've been using for the past couple years. Maybe in a second I'll go grab it. I've been using it for maybe a year now, and it's the 2010 MacBook Air, so this is gonna be a huge jump. I'm going from 2010 to 2020, so this is crazy for me. So I just have the pull tab right there, and yeah. And I'm sorry if you can hear background noises, but everyone's still home. Obviously, my brother is right next door, my dad is still working online, my mom's still working online, so yeah, there's a lot of background noises, but oh my gosh. Okay, thumbnail. Now we're gonna open it. I'm gonna open it like this. Wait. It smells like I hadn't gotten the thing with the smell. I was like, why does everyone smell it? But I could the smell, the new smell. I don't know. I could smell it the second it came up. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch it. It's mine. It's so light. Oh my gosh, wait, what? It's a little heavier than my MacBook Air, the one I have been using. It's my mom's technically, actually. I don't know why I keep saying it's mine. So I put that on the side. And I'm just gonna go in the box. I have the USB-C to USB-C charger. This is the instructions. I actually read the instructions, but I'm gonna read those after the video. It comes with silver stickers. And I wanted the silver because all the rest of my devices are silver. So I didn't want to have the space gray, because I don't like the space gray in any of their other products, but it's nice in their computers. Oh, it's like a matte thing for the thing. You can peel it off. This is it's really light, so it's not a huge charger. I'm gonna put the instructions back in the box. It's in my hand. Oh my gosh. I also got a case for it. It came in yesterday, so we'll see how that is. It's so nice. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open up. I want to see if it turns on. In every single video it turns on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's just turning on. Let me peel the thing. And there's not the silver bezels on the side, so it looks like a one flawless screen. So I'm gonna start setting this up. I'm gonna flip the screen so you can see, and we'll
use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Thanks for interrupting me. Okay, so the lighting is way worse, but I figured it was the best way you can see the screen. One thing I already immediately noticed is like the touch bar. First of all, it's not on yet, but that's so insane. Touch ID, really excited for that. Really nice that I can literally like move it and have it anywhere and it just stays. So I'm gonna start setting up English because I speak English. Oh, the touch bar just turned on. I don't know if you saw that, but it did. Oh my gosh, that's so, oh wait, it's on. Oh my gosh. And the screen is backlit, so that's kind of cool. United States. Okay, I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Don't transfer any information because that one has all my mom's stuff on it. My Apple ID. Keyboard is really nice. And then it asked me to pull up my phone. I have my phone right here so I can do the thingy. Terms and conditions. I've actually read the entire terms and conditions before, but I'm not gonna read it now. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Yay! This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Yay! Not now, I don't think. So I'm just gonna say continue. Ah, Touch ID. It literally even says it like right there on the thing. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I don't know why it's so slanted. I think it's the tripod actually when I put it back down. Apple Pay, set up later. I think I might have it on auto because it's what my phone's on. Definitely True Tone. Setting up! Yay! Looks like this now. I'm going to customize it because I don't want this obviously. So I'm going to start with dragging things off the dock that I probably will never use. I haven't like done any customization stuff yet, but this is what it looks like. And this is old computer, I guess. This is my mom's that I've been using. It's also silver, but it's the 11-inch, and you can see that it has like the bezels and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you the things that I bought for it. I bought this in like a set, and I'm hoping it fits. So it came with the laptop sleeve, the hard case cover, and then also a keyboard thing and a screen protector. I'm not gonna use the screen protector, but we'll see how this goes. And I don't know if I showed you the side-by-side comparison. So this is my 13-inch and this is my 11-inch. So this is what they look stacked. I don't know how I can do this, my arms are weak. And then this is what they look like on top of each other. It's actually the same length, it's just a little like deeper, I guess, longer this way. But yeah, and I'm going to get some things off my other devices to transfer over. This thing I made on my iPad a couple months back, I just airdropped it to my computer. Oh, it transferred my files. I thought I didn't want it to do that, but I can just make it set Dropbox thing. I'll have to organize this. I also want to change the, I don't even know what it's called, like the accent color, that's what it's called. Right now it's blue. I think I'm gonna make it yellow just to match everything. Oh wait, the accent color is yellow. And then it's also, the highlight color is also yellow. So yeah, that looks nice. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'll probably do a customization video, or I don't know, not a customization video, like a what's on my MacBook video. Just showing you like what I ended up putting on here in the end. But as of right now, I'm still like messing with it, playing around with it. Yeah, I really like this and I can't wait to use it. I'm in shock. Like I didn't even use the, actually I'm gonna do that before I end the video. I didn't even use the thing. Oh my gosh. I can like, is it doing anything? Oh yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. And like press pause, play. I don't even know what this does, not gonna lie. I bought this majority by myself, so I'm really happy that I was able to get this for school and for YouTube and everything else. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like this video, subscribe, comment something down below, ask a question if you have any. I'll try and answer it to the best of my knowledge. I am not a tech channel whatsoever, but I will link some of the videos I did watch before buying this in the description box below. If you are thinking about getting one, I can tell I'm gonna like it, and it was an investment that I was willing to make, especially since I want this to last the next 4 years of college and stuff. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.